Good afternoon, guys. See this one. This is like a sardine. Still I got your fishing jigs, 60 grams. See, like a sardine. They imitate a sardine. It's quite heavy, 60 grams. Good for deep sea fishing. 50 dirhams. Yeah. Okay. So bought it from Timo again. Timo UAE. See, black at the top, at the side blue in a dotted one. Eyes is good, hooks are good. 2 hooks. This good. This is a good one. Maybe we can use it when we are planning for fishing.